Hi, this is Ryan Single from Contextually, and I want to show you a new feature we just launched, which lets you put an auto sidebar, essentially a sidebar with content that's going to be constantly updating into the body of every story on your site. I'll show you what an auto sidebar looks like now. So this is from our own blog, and here on the left-hand side, you'll see this related posts. Now that's actually just placed with a little bit of a shortcode. It takes about 5 seconds, but still a human has to do it. And so we wanted to change that so that every story on your site can have an automatic sidebar where you want it, filled with what kind of content you want. So this is how it works. I'm going to jump over to our test blog, and you'll see this is a 9-paragraph story, and there's a little sidebar right there with 2 stories in it. Now that's great, but I have a short story over here, which is 3 paragraphs long, and there's no sidebar there. And that's exactly as intended. So what we did is we made it easy for you to set up rules that say this is the kind of content I want, this is the number of things to show, and only show it on stories that are this long, and this is the place to put it. So that's there inside your control panel now. So in display modules, go to auto sidebar, you enable auto sidebars, you tell us what you want the title to be, you can put a description if you want, tell us how many you want to show off, what kind of recommendations you want there, related or evergreen, personalization, or some custom feeds. And then this is the important part, is you turn on auto placement. And that will tell us to insert this sidebar after the second paragraph from the start of the story, and only do it on stories that have 5 or more paragraphs. You can ignore the rest down here unless you're not on WordPress. And if you're not on WordPress and want to use this, need to figure that out, just drop us a note. And you can also do it the opposite way. So if you want it to be from the end, you can change that around. Lots of settings, but it's really simple. With just a few clicks, you can have a nice looking sidebar that shows up in the body of every story on the site. And as you publish more content and add new content, we'll update those on every story with no work from you. If you guys have any questions, drop us a note at info@contextually.com. Thanks so much.